Hey everyone, I'm Vicky, and today we are tackling a question that every business owner cares about. Why do some POS machines last for years, while others break down in just a few months? Today, we are uncovering the 5 key factors that determine POS machine durability. First, let's talk about the primary defense of any POS machine. It's outer casing. There are 3 main types used in the industry: ABS plastic, metal alloy, and composite materials. ABS plastic. ABS plastic is the most common material due to its affordability and lightweight nature, making it great for stationary setups like office and retail counters. However, while ABS plastics offers excellent cost efficiencies at approximately 30% cheaper than metal alternatives, its limitations become apparent in demanding environments. Now let's check out aluminum casings. A preferred choice for commercial-grade POS machines, though slightly more expensive. They provide superior impact resistance, making them highly durable in demanding environments. Not only does aluminum withstand drops and impacts better, but it also offers excellent heat dissipation. This ensures that your POS systems stay cool and operate smoothly, reducing the risk of the overheating and internal damage over time. POS machines in restaurants and auto markets frequently face spill and dust exposure. Without proper protection, they can quickly fail. Another factor that impacts durability is button design, especially in food service environments where buttons are exposed to grease, sugars, and liquids. Durability isn't just about the exterior. The internal components play a crucial role too. The way a POS machine is built determines its longevity. At TCANG, we specialize in manufacturing aluminum alloy POS machines designed for maximized durability. Our products are built to withstand high-impact conditions, provide excellent heat dissipation, and last for longer than standard models. If you are looking for a reliable POS solution, TCANG is the perfect choice. Click the link below to learn more or reach out to our team for expert guidance.